Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the dieux Skin Mercy Intense Recovery Cream. This product retails for $38. As someone who's already a fan of both of dieux's moisturizers, this new sensitive skin friendly moisturizer looks so promising. I was already a fan of their Instant Angel. I felt like it was a moisturizer that worked really well for my sensitized, drier, acne prone skin in the winter. Their Air Angel moisturizer also worked amazing for my acne, so I cannot wait to see what this soothing moisturizer looks like and how it performs for my skin. Utilizing colloidal oatmeal is one of my favorite things that moisturizers do, and dieux always loads down their ingredients, so I cannot wait to see what this new moisturizer has in store. This is more just designed for redness, itchiness, and irritation, and the clinicals that they have run on this are really impressive, so I cannot wait to see what I notice with this product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. In this formula, they utilize 1% colloidal oatmeal, a 3% soothing complex, and 10% glycerin. I've left those full complexes and the ingredient list in the description, but you can also click the link in the description to go to their website as well. The big things I'm going to be looking for include: how does this moisturizer feel? What results and what soothing benefits do I notice with it? And also, does it work for my acne prone skin? Personally, this looks like a dream for my acne. Anytime something is labeled as a redness treatment, usually it is good for my acne as well, so I will be curious to see that. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm going to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I have to say, this is not as rich moisture-wise as Instant Angel. That is definitely a richer moisturizer more long-term. This more delivers a heavier finish initially to the skin, but it's super moisturizing and beneficial with the colloidal oatmeal in here. It has a beautiful texture that is just so skin barrier supporting and comforting, especially in the winter. It has such a beautiful finish. Definitely going to be for the more drier sensitive skin, I feel like, because even though it is a little bit more, not as rich viscosity wise as Instant Angel, it definitely is a little bit heavier when it comes to the finish. I feel like the oiliness of this could be a little bit too much for oily skin, mainly for when your skin is really sensitized. You could also use this at night. That's personally what I've been doing. I've been needing to wake up with a little bit more of a nourished and refreshed look. That's kind of what I've been getting with this product. I really enjoy it. I tried using it during the day. On the warmer days, it's a little bit much for that. I do feel like this is definitely more of a product that's just for when your skin is really sensitized. It's more of a situational style product. I'll go ahead and apply it and just show you how comforting it is to the skin. It is super nourishing, super skin barrier repairing. I noticed instantly when my skin was dry, this was moisturizing my drier areas. Could go in with a Vaseline style ointment over this to really enhance the moisturization. dieux is actually working on an ointment that I'm excited for. But you can see there, the finish is really nice. Gives a more dewy, radiant look to the skin, which I eat this up. This is the type of finish that I look for in a moisturizer. It is just a little bit much for my more oily days. I am very combination. When the weather is warmer, I get more oily, and I feel like this is a little bit too much for those days. I've noticed that it has been soothing my skin. You can see I'm dealing with a little bit of redness over here from some acne that I was struggling with from previous product. I can definitely tell it's been reducing the redness in my skin. Hoping to continue seeing great benefits with that, and hoping this product will not break me out. I'll continue using it, checking again, and I'll see you all in the next check-in. I'm about to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I had a wonderful experience with this moisturizer, and honestly, it's become my favorite from dieux's entire lineup. Coming from someone who is already a fan of their Instant and Air Angel moisturizers, this moisturizer had ingredients in it that spoke to my personal skin concerns, being redness, being acne, being very soothing for the skin. I also tried it at a time time where I was more dry, and the winter is upon us. It's really cold outside. I like this because it left a heavier finish to the skin. Physically, I feel like this is the heaviest moisturizer that Dieux has in terms of how it feels on the skin, but not the richest in the longevity of how long that moisture lasts. I personally found their Instant Angel to be the richest in internal and long-term hydration that I got for the skin. This was more of an instant surface soothing skin barrier replenishing product that did calm down the longer that I used it, was still delivering a great moisturizing and soothing benefit, but where I would really classify it is if you struggle with redness, and also I'd recommend at least looking to this if you've broken out from Dieux's other moisturizers. I feel like this could be a more acne safe moisturizer. I personally am someone who has not broken out from any of Dieux's moisturizers, so that's where this view is coming from, but I know plenty of people who were not able to use both their Air Angel and their Instant Angel for acne prone reasons, so this may open up the door for a new product from them because it is a really beautiful moisturizer. Something that I feel like could be used situationally depending on what your skin concerns are. If you are more oily, I don't think this is going to be a moisturizer for you. I'd recommend turning to their Air Angel for that. This is definitely more for the sensitive, drier to combination skin, especially if you are more dry leaning like I am right now. I don't know if I'll be able to use this in the summer, but it is still, in my opinion, from looking over the ingredients, a more acne safe moisturizer for my skin. Also in performance, didn't notice any acne, didn't notice any new texture coming up on my skin. The price point is fairly steep for this. I feel like that comparatively, it loads it down with a lot of ingredients that separate it from some other colloidal oatmeal moisturizers that I've seen on the market. Prequel's barrier therapy is the big one that comes to mind. I want to open up that door as a potential more affordable alternative to this because it has some similar soothing benefits. Prequel also did just release a rich version of their barrier therapy. They now have just a normal version and a rich version, which I'm about to try out the rich version. Haven't tried it out yet. That could be a potential alternative to this if you are looking for just a solid soothing moisturizer. I will say this left a heavier finish, maybe more intended for drier skin, but I wanted to provide this option because I know some people have broken out from the Prequel. I personally haven't experienced that from their regular barrier therapy, but if you have, this could be a good route to turn to. Comparing it to some other moisturizers, there are a few ingredients that have been leery with my acne prone skin in other moisturizers with colloidal oatmeal in it, like First Aid Beauty, like Prequels. They've personally worked for my acne prone skin, but doesn't mean it's going to be a universal experience. I think this is a great option on the market to have as another option for acne prone skin, just because everyone's acne is different. I feel like it can't hurt to have more options on the market like this. I really feel like it is worth the splurge in my opinion. I like the richer finish and the added ingredients that they have to this that make it unique from some other colloidal oatmeal moisturizers on the market. I feel like it is worth it if you are able to invest in it, and I personally see myself investing in it because I've seen a little bit more of a soothing benefit, seen a little bit more of an enhanced benefit when I've been struggling with really red, irritated skin during the winter. It's a great acne safe moisturizer for me, and that's what I really enjoy about it. If you're wanting to go the more budget route, I would recommend venturing to Prequels, seeing if their barrier therapy or their barrier therapy rich moisturizer could be for you. If you are breaking out or anything to this product, First Aid Beauty's is around the same price point. You may get more of a value for that, but that is another option. I ultimately feel like with the blend of ingredients in here, they did make it worth it in my opinion. I love their moisturizers. I'm just a big fan of Dieux's products. They've all worked well for my skin, but this one specifically speaks to my skin concerns. It makes it, in my opinion, my favorite moisturizer for the winter from Dieux. Even though I love their Instant Angel, it can be a little heavy at times in terms of longevity on my skin. I feel like this has a more instant soothing and skin barrier replenishing finish that kind of calms down. I've been needing that recently, and that's why I absolutely love it. If you have the means though, I personally would see myself reinvesting in this. I do want to finish it first. I'll be keeping you posted just to see if I feel like it is still worth it later on down the line whenever I do finish this product. At the moment, really loving it. I think it's a great product from Dieux, a genius moisturizer, and I feel like a more intentional product potentially for acne prone skin. They seem to be very intentional intentional with the ingredients and the formula of this product. I don't subscribe to using non-comedogenic terminology or acne safe because everyone's acne is different. This is another option on the market though that I like, that I feel like could be a safer alternative for acne prone skin. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.